ladies, it's Gracie with WTI. If you're on the hunt for a super adorable dress for this summer, I think this one from AOVDE is just so perfect for so many reasons. First off, I love that it's a solid and simple dress, but yet can be sophisticated and classy all at the same time. When I saw this beautiful blue color online, I just knew I had to get it. I typically wear a size 4, so I got the size small, which fits perfectly. And what I love about it the most is this raised cut on the sides that really give this dress a flirty and fun feel. I'm 5'3½", so you can see it lays much longer in the front and the back, but then this higher cut on the sides, I love it so much. It has an elastic band at the top and an elastic band around the waistline that's covered with this removable belt, which I think just gives it an extra slimming effect. And girls, it barely weighs anything. It's super light and flowy, and because it's so comfortable, I've worn it for multiple different occasions. I love that I can dress it up and give it a more professional look for work, or dress it down with some flats or some sandals for a more casual look or date night. I love dresses that I can wear in multiple different ways. It's made out of polyester and spandex, and it's nice because it already comes lined on the inside, so I love that I didn't have to worry about it being see-through at all. I personally find this dress very flattering. It's simple but yet classy. This is one of those dresses that's a must-have for your closet, but that's just my point of view.